Alright, here's the stacker tool. Go ahead and take that out. It's under construction, stacker improved. Obviously we want English. Don't worry about the presets. Make sure it's on freeze, weld is unchecked, and no collide is checked. The reason you want this is because if you have it welded, you're not going to be able to move the props later. If you have it no collide, you're free to move them around and they won't collide with each other. Change this from world to prop. I'll show you the difference between those here soon. And here you have stack direction. What's something new with this is that you can actually see what is what. So that's right, that's front, and then that's up. So if we change this to right, and we reset the offset so we're back at 0, it's going to place it right there. So you can just left click, and there you go. Now this is pretty useful because you go like this. Then you can switch to front. We'll go like this, this, this. But you can also set it to stack a certain amount. So boom, boom. And this server has ghosting on it, so you can only do one at a time on here. There you go. You have a nice little platform. You can actually color those pieces individually or whatever you want. Now if you need something more complex, let's say what's known to be a big problem is the combine wall. So if we search combine, and down here, one that does have a lot of problems is actually this. People like to make nice bridges, and notice I spawned it right there, but it's not there. So let's go above up here and see what's happening. Well, when you place this bridge down, see, I looked right here, and it spawned it way over there. Why is that? Well, if you look at it, you can see whoever made the prop actually didn't make the collision mesh correct. So you have to work around that. How do you do this? Well, do that. Take this out. We'll go a ways away. You can see that the front is facing away from us. So let's just go with, I like to go with up because up is actually pretty close to it. It's a lot closer. So we can bring this X down and then mess with the Y. So the Y is there. So we can actually just leave that at 0 and then mess with the Z. And that's what's going to mess with that. There you go. So you have a nice little bridge you can make here. And there you go. Now if you want to do something curved and arched a little bit, you're going to want to play with the pitch, yaw, roll, all those flight dynamics. So bring this up. Obviously we can go out a little bit. Okay. So now we're curving up slowly. And there are more unique things you can do with this. I can't show you because we have the prop protection, the prop span protection on here. So if you go to show settings and click stack relative to the new rotation, I'll show you the difference. If you click stack size and increase this by a lot, it's going to keep it just like that. If you have this off, it's going to do that. See that? You want to keep it, if you're spawning multiple props like this, you're going to want to keep it with the new stack rotation, based on the new stack rotation.